If you want to learn how to edit a CapCut template quickly and make it feel like your own original video, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from selecting a template to replacing the media, trimming clips, adjusting text, and exporting the final result. This is perfect for beginners who want to create polished videos without starting from scratch. And before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's start with selecting a template. Open CapCut and look at the left sidebar. You'll see a section called Templates. Click that first, because this is where all the ready-made styles live. Now browse through the different template options and look for one that matches the kind of video you want to make. Maybe you want something clean and cinematic, maybe you want something fast and trendy, or maybe you want a template that works well for photos and short clips. Once you find a style you like, click on it to open the template preview. After that, you'll see a button that says Use Template. Click that to load it into your project. CapCut will pull in the template layout, the timing, the effects, and the structure, so you can start customizing it right away. This is the main reason templates are so useful. They save time, keep your edits looking professional, and help you create videos much faster than building everything manually. Now let's move on to the most important part, replacing the media. When the template loads, you'll usually see numbered clip slots. These slots tell you exactly where each photo or video should go. Take a moment to look through them carefully so you understand the order. Then import your own footage or photos from your device. Once your media is ready, simply drag each clip into the matching slot. If the template has multiple scenes, make sure you match the right clip to the right number. This matters because the timing and transitions are often designed around that order. If you drop the wrong clip into the wrong slot, the pacing may feel off. So go one by one and fill each section carefully. Also, if the template includes special settings, you'll usually see those in the right panel. This is where CapCut may give you options to adjust effects, styles, colors, or other template-specific details. Take a minute to review those settings, because sometimes small changes here can make a big difference in how the final video looks. Next, let's trim and adjust everything so it fits perfectly. Click on any clip slot if you want to adjust timing or refine what part of the video is being shown. This is especially helpful if your clip is too long or if the most important part happens in the middle. You can use the crop or slide tools to move to the best section of the footage, so the template displays exactly what you want. This step is really important if you're using personal videos, because templates are often built around a very specific rhythm. If your clip is slightly too long or too short, the whole edit can feel uneven. So take your time and make sure each clip lines up nicely with the beat or transition of the template. You can also edit text layers using the right panel. If the template includes captions, titles, or placeholder text, click into those layers and replace them with your own words. Keep your text short, clear, and easy to read. If the template is fast-paced, too much text can make it look crowded, so less is often better. As you're editing, always preview your work, watch the transitions, check the timing, and make sure every clip looks smooth. This is the best way to catch anything that feels off before exporting. If something looks too fast, too slow, or out of place, go back and adjust it now instead of waiting until the end. Once everything looks right, it's time to export. Click Export in the top right corner of the screen. CapCut will give you export options, and you can choose the resolution you want. For most videos, 1080p is a great choice because it looks sharp and keeps file sizes reasonable. If you want the highest quality and your project supports it, choose 4K instead. After that, choose where you want to save the video. The easiest option is to save it to your desktop so you can find it quickly afterward. Then let CapCut finish rendering your final video. Once the export is complete, your edited CapCut template is ready to upload, share, or post anywhere you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit a CapCut template from start to finish, including selecting the template, replacing media, trimming clips, adjusting text, and exporting the final video. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple CapCut and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.